Nose Blackheads Treatment Clear Pores Transformation. Every pore has a story. Some flow freely, others slowly collect oil, dead skin, and build up. Over time, those clogged pores become visible blackheads. Today's mission is simple: clear the congestion, restore cleaner-looking pores, and reveal a complete nose transformation. What happens inside a blackhead? A blackhead begins when oil becomes trapped inside an open pore. As the buildup stays exposed to air, it oxidizes and darkens. What starts as a tiny blockage can eventually become a noticeable blackhead. Why nose pores need extra attention? The nose contains highly active oil glands. This means more oil production, faster buildup, increased pore congestion, which makes the nose one of the most common areas for blackheads. Step 1. Deep surface cleansing. The treatment begins with cleansing away excess oil and surface impurities. A clean surface allows better access to congested pores. Step 2. Pore softening treatment. Warm steam helps soften compact blackheads trapped inside the pores. This prepares the skin for deep cleaning. Step 3. Blackheads removal process. The extraction phase begins. One by one, blackheads are removed from the pores. Each extraction reveals cleaner skin beneath. Step 4. Clear pores transformation. As congestion disappears, the skin begins showing a visible change. Pores look cleaner, texture looks smoother, the transformation becomes obvious. Step 5. Texture improvement reveal. With fewer blockages, the nose appears heavy checkmark cleaner, heavy checkmark brighter, heavy checkmark smoother, heavy checkmark less congested. Step 6. Recovery skin refresh. A calming skincare treatment helps soothe the skin after extraction. Final results. Before, visible blackheads, clogged pores, uneven texture. After, clearer looking pores, smoother skin surface, refreshed appearance. Final message: healthy looking skin starts with healthy looking pores, and every clear pore brings the skin one step closer to a smoother appearance. If you enjoyed this nose blackheads treatment and clear pores transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more blackhead removals, deep pore cleaning treatments, and satisfying skincare videos.